All right, I'm going to help you work out the reaction time program. So let's start by putting your name at the top, day 99 reaction, and then your name, not my name. Let's save it. Day 99 reaction worked out. Okay. You know how we start all of our programs? Import from microbit import star. For this one, we also need to import random. And then I'm going to make a variable to keep track of the best score. I'm going to call it record equals, I'm just going to put 10,000 in there because any normal person would be able to beat that. And then we'd have like a new high score with any decent effort. And it says the program does a countdown, 3, 2, 1, then it goes blank and waits between 3 to 8 seconds, a random amount. So we're going to say display.show 3, sleep 500. Rather than type it over and over, I'm going to copy these two lines, paste them, and we got 3, 2, 1. And now to go blank, I'm going to make an image, pick equals image, and I want to actually set the center pixel to be on. Pick dot set pixel 22 to none. So that's just the center light, and I'm going to say display dot show pick. That if you want it to be blank, that's fine, but you can just do pick equals image and display dot show pick. Okay, and now we're going to wait a random amount of time. So that's sleep random dot rand int 3000 8000. So that's going to sleep a random amount of time. And right at this point, right at this line here, we can check if they were already pressing the button, and if they were cheating. So if button A was pressed, display dot scroll no cheating. And then we say continue. Continue is a Python command which tells it to go back to the start of the loop. So save. Let's flash and make sure it's not broken. So 3, 2, 1, we got a random wait, and then, oh, I forgot. After the random wait, we don't know that it's over yet. So at this point, let's display an image. Display.show. I'm going to do image.diamond because it's kind of a fun image. That's how the user will know in my code that it's time to react. So 3, 2, 1, and then for me, I've just got the dot on the screen, and then the diamond's going to appear. Oh, yeah. Anyway, it doesn't show for very long because it goes right back to the start. So anyway, but the code's running. Let's tidy it. It's tidy. Checks out. Save. Okay. So far so good. And now we have to do the thing where we time how long it takes them to reply. So we're going to do before equals running time. Don't forget the open and close parentheses. And then in here, we're going to say while not button A was pressed, continue. That's a way to just loop forever until the user presses button A. So now we're going to say after equals running time, again with the parentheses at the end. And then duration equals after minus before, right? The running time is a number that just keeps going up from the time you start up or flash your thing. So now we can check if we got a record. So if duration is less than record, that's our former record, then we have a new record. So display.scroll new record, and display.scroll duration. And I'm going to do display.show image happy because I think that'd be nice. And we're going to sleep for 1 second. And then we have to say record equals duration, like we have a new record, right? And then we say else. This is when there wasn't a new record. We're going to just display scroll duration, right? If there wasn't a new record, then we just have to still wait for a second. I mean, display, and I'm going to have everybody wait for a second. So I'll put it after the for loop, just so that you don't feel rushed. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to save it. I'm going to flash it. So 3, 2, 1. I'm waiting. The diamond appears. I press the A button. It says new record. Sweet. And I got it in 1300 milliseconds. Oh, it's not very good. I'll try to do better. I did better. So you got to test your program, folks. I got it 329 milliseconds. So this time I'm going to make it go longer and make sure it doesn't say new record to me, because that's another failure point. Like if it always says new record, that would be silly. Yeah, and it didn't say new record when I waited 2 seconds. Okay, so then the last thing is we have to make sure the user's not... I already put it in here. The user checking if the user was cheating. I didn't test that though, so I'm going to reset and we'll test the cheating. You just test it by holding down the button while the image is blank. And then you should get the message, no cheating. But then make sure it works next time through. You should get 3, 2, 1, and then you should be able to, do it again. Yeah. Yeah, so it worked fine. I'm looking at the instructions. Yeah, I think we're good. That's the program. So awesome.